Looking for tasty ways to lose weight? Craving for sumptuous meals that won't compromise your health goals? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to a delightful culinary journey where we'll explore quick and easy-to-make recipes that will help you shed those extra pounds. Our first recipe is a vibrant and refreshing green smoothie. Start by washing 2 cups of fresh spinach leaves and 1 cup of kale. Toss them into a blender. Add a medium-sized ripe banana for a touch of sweetness and creaminess. Follow this with half an avocado, which is packed with healthy fats and fiber. Next, pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and blend until smooth. To finish, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for a zesty kick. Moving on to our second recipe, a delicious quinoa salad. Begin by cooking 1 cup of quinoa in 2 cups of water. While the quinoa cooks, chop a medium-sized red bell pepper, a cucumber and a handful of cherry tomatoes. Once the quinoa is cooked and cooled, combine it with the chopped vegetables. Toss in some feta cheese for a burst of flavor. Dress this salad with a little olive oil, lemon juice and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Our final recipe for today is a comforting bowl of veggie soup. Start by sautéing chopped onions, carrots and celery in a large pot with a splash of olive oil. Once the veggies are softened, add in minced garlic, followed by a can of diced tomatoes. Stir in vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a boil. Add in a handful of chopped kale and let the soup simmer until the kale is wilted. All these recipes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrition. The green smoothie is a perfect way to start your day, providing you with essential vitamins and minerals. The quinoa salad, on the other hand, is a great lunch option. It's high in fiber and protein, helping you feel full and satisfied. Lastly, the veggie soup makes for a warm and hearty dinner. It's low in calories yet high in nutrients, making it an excellent choice for a weight loss meal. Remember, losing weight doesn't mean you have to compromise on taste. It's all about making smart choices and using the right ingredients. Thank you for joining this culinary journey. We hope these recipes inspire you to create delicious and healthy meals. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking. Stay healthy.